So question 13, it says the size of the largest angle in a triangle is 4 times the size of the smallest angle. The other angle is 27 degrees less than the largest. Work out in degrees the size of each angle in the triangle you must show you're working out. Oof, that's a bit of a mouthful. Okay, so the size of the largest angle in a triangle is 4 times the size of the smallest. So you've got x, I'm just going to use x and 4x. So this is the largest, and this is the smallest. Okay, the other angle is 27 less than the largest angle. So 4x, oh, sorry, I should do 4x minus 27. So that's the other angle. So let's add them up all together. So x plus 4x plus 4x minus 27. So collect like terms. So 9x minus 27. Now we know this is going to equal 180. So we can take this to the other side. It becomes plus 27. So I have 9x equals 207. So I'll just come up here. So then x, if you divide by 9 on both sides, gives 23. So the smallest one is 23. And we know that the largest one, 4x, so 4 times 23 is 92. And then 92 take away 27, which equals 65. Question 14. Andy went on holiday to Canada. His flight costs a total of $1,500. Andy stayed for 14 nights. His hotel room costs $196 per night. Sounds Canadian dollars. Andy used Wi-Fi for 12 days. Wi-Fi costs $5 per day. The exchange rate was $1.90 to £1. Work out the total cost of flights. The hotel room and the Wi-Fi, give your answer in pounds. So you got all your information there. So what do we have to consider? Okay, so work out the cost of flights, the hotel room and Wi-Fi. So give your answer in pounds. We know that this is already in pounds, so that's check. So we need to then convert everything else. So 14 times 196. Again, you've got a calculator, so you can do all of this. So you get $2,744. That's for the room. And then for the Wi-Fi, so 12 times by 5. So that gives you $60. And so if we add that up together, we get $2,804. So the exchange rate was $190 to £1. So 2,804 divided by 1.9. So that will give you, again using your calculator, 1,475.79 pence. So we add this with that. So 1,500 plus 1,475 and 79 pence will give you 2,975. Don't forget the 79 pence. So that's how much his total holiday cost. So if there were fewer dollars to £1, what effect would this have on the total in pounds of Andy's holiday? So it would cost more. And the reason for that is, so if there were fewer dollars to the pound, then this denominator will be smaller. So if you're dividing by a smaller number, then your answer will be much bigger. And so you'll be adding an answer, or summing, an answer from this here with 1,500 to give a much larger value. So it costs more essentially. Okay, number 15, Venn diagrams. So this means odd numbers less than 30. So everything else, A, 3, 9, 15, 21, 27, and B is 5, 15, 25. Complete the Venn diagram to represent the information. So we can start off with odd numbers less than 30. Okay, so let's do 1. 2, 3, well 3, so let's label this A and this B, so 3, so put it there. So 4, 5, so we've got 5 in B. 6, 7, so 7, 8, 9, 9 is in there. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Well, we've got 15 here, 15 there, so we put it in the union. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 21 there. 22, 23, 24, 25, we've got 25 there. 26, 27, we've got 27 there. 28 and 29, and that's it. Brilliant. So a number is chosen at random from the universal set E. What is the probability that the number is in the set A or B? So A union B. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So altogether there are 15 values. So we chose the 7 from here and the 8 here. So 7 plus 8, 15. What's the probability the number is in the set A union B? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So has 7 values. So 7 over 15. Solve the simultaneous equations. Number 16. I really enjoy simultaneous equations for some reason. So let's think about this with either elimination or substitution. Okay, so let's do, looking at this, elimination. So let's call that 1, let's call that 2. So I'm going to say 1 subtract 2. So that means 3x minus 3x. Have y minus 4y. And then that equals minus 4 minus 6. Cancels. 5y equals minus 10. So y equals minus 2 because you divide by 5 on both sides. And then we can simply put the y, so sub y equals minus 2 into, say, 1, for example. So 3x minus 2 equals minus 4. Take that to the other side, becomes a positive 2. 3x equals, so minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2. So x equals minus 2 over 3. So we divide by 3. So that means, alright, it's in a different color, that x equals minus 2 over 3 and y equals minus 2. Number 17. So it says the table shows some information about the dress sizes of 25 women. Dress sizes and the frequency, so the number of women. Find the median dress size. So we can say, how many does this add up to? 10, 19, 25. So there's 25. So 2, 11, 19, and 25. And then it will be the middle. So the 12th number, so 12 between 12 and 13th number. So that number will be here. So that's the 11th one, and then it'll be 8. So the dress size, median dress size is 12. So 3 of the 25 women have a shoe size of 7. Zoe says that if you choose at random one of the 25 women, the probability that she has either a shoe size of 7 or a dress size of 14 is 9 over 25. Because 3 over 25 of the women have shoe size of 7 plus 6 over 25 equals 9 over 25. So, is Zoe correct? Give your reason for your answer. So, Zoe would not be correct, no. Because some of them might have shoe size 9 and dress size 14. So, no. So, some of them might have shoe size 9 and dress size 14. Brilliant. Question 18. Daniel bakes 420 cakes. He bakes only vanilla cakes, banana cakes, lemon cakes, and chocolate cakes. 2 over 7 of the cakes are vanilla cakes. 35% of the cakes are banana cakes. The ratio of the number of lemon cakes to the number of chocolate cakes is 4 to 5. Let's see if I can highlight some stuff as well. So 420 cakes. 27 of them are vanilla cakes. 35 of them are banana cakes. And the ratio of lemon cakes to chocolate cakes is 4 to 5. Work out the number of lemon cakes. Alright, so 2 over 7 of them are vanilla cakes. We know there's 420 in total. So 2 times 420 then divided by 7 gives 120. So that's vanilla cakes. And then it said 35% of the cakes are banana cakes. So I know that 35% I can write as 0.35 times 420, which equals 147 banana cakes. And so to find the lemon cakes, I'd say 420, which is the total. Subtract 147, subtract 120, which gives 153. So I have, if you think about this, it says this is lemon cakes. So the ratio of the number of lemon cakes, so let's say 153, to the ratio of chocolate cakes is 4 to 5. So divide this by 4. And then I can say, the number of lemon cakes and chocolate cakes is 153. Chocolate cakes. So there are 4 lemon and 5 chocolate. So that should be 9 because it's 9 parts, which gives us 17. And we know that L has 4 parts and chocolate has 5 parts. So it's going to be a simple case of 4 times 17 will give us the lemon, and then 5 times 17 will give us the chocolate. So this will give us 68. This will give us 85. So that means, since we wanted the lemon, answer is 68. Question 19. In the diagram, A, B, B, C, and C, D are 3 sides of a regular polygon P, and show that polygon P is a hexagon. You must show you're working out. Okay, so we know that a regular 12-sided polygon is going to, if we think about this, so 360, which is divided by 12, is going to give us 30. So that is each exterior angle of 12-sided poly. And then we know that 180, which is the total degrees of a triangle or a line, so 180 take away 30 gives us 150. So that's the interior of, I'm going to put 12 SP. So I know that this is 150. I know because this is a square, this is 90 is the right angle, and I know that that X is going to be 360 minus 90 minus 150, the X, yeah. So that's going to be 120. So that's going to be 120. So the interior angle of P is 120. So that's the interior of 120. And the exterior angle of P is 180 minus 120. So this is the exterior of P. So that means that the exterior is going to be 60. So this implies that 360 divided by 60 gives you 6 hexagon, 6. So P has 6 sides. P is a hexagon. So just a recap, so we know that as a 12-sided polygon, if we divide it by 12, so we will know that the exterior angle of 12-sided polygon is 30, and then we know that the interior is going to be 180 minus 30, 150, and then it says x, which is the interior of the polygon P, is 360 minus the 90 minus the 150, which gives 120, and then we know that the exterior of P is going to be 180 minus 120, which is 60, and if we divide 360 by 60, we'll get equals to 6, so we know that P has 6 sides and therefore P is a hexagon.